How to change your account name on YouTube app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your account name on YouTube. So all what you have to do is go to YouTube. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and it will take you to this page. Now right here, all what you have to do is click on your channel option, and now click on this pencil right here, and here you go. Now from here you can change your name easy and fast, as you can see. And yeah, click here and you will be able to change it, and after you finish just click OK and it will be saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and see you later. Thank you so much.